Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this air fried asparagus. This is two types, slightly breaded and double breaded. If you want to learn how I made this, please keep on watching. So what I have here is some asparagus. This was washed already. Simply remove that hard part of the asparagus, the one that you don't eat. That make things easy actually. And place that on a plate just like what I'm doing right here. Set it aside. We're going to need the egg and season it with your favorite seasoning and just whisk it like what I'm doing right here. Grab those asparagus and let it soak into this egg mixture. Set that aside. We're also gonna need a breadcrumbs. This is gluten-free Italian breadcrumbs. You could get this at Walmart or any brand. Let's grab our basket and simply spray that lightly with the oil. Then let's put our asparagus into the dry mixture. This is the single breaded asparagus. You only do this lightly. And now with the double breaded asparagus, basically we're doing this twice in the dried mixture and twice into the egg mixture, and simply pat that breadcrumbs into the asparagus just like what I'm doing right here. Place that in a basket. Simply spray that with the oil, just a little oil, a sprig of olive oil. Place this in the air fryer unit. Air fry this 400 degrees for 8 minutes. And now after 8 minutes, there you go. There is our asparagus, breaded asparagus. This was actually delicious. Your kids are going to love this, and I hope you're gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna give it a try. It looks good. Look at that. Look at that. So this is the one with double dip and with the breadcrumbs still. So, see? It's good. It's really good. Look at that. This one is on that just one dip of the breadcrumbs. It's actually good. If you want a lighter, probably breaded asparagus, it still works. It's actually good. Give it a try and let me know. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. And thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao.